Good morning, trader. VST. This is much better than the video. We featured it over here during the consolidation. It's the best one in the AI space. It is outperforming the video. We're going to buy the pullbacks. When it comes back into here, we're going to add more. This is our number one bull pick for 2024 VST. And not only that, let me just explain something to you. The $130 calls that we bought at $4 are now $10 on VSST. This is the best of the breed. I've got it approved for buy now, pay later program. If you believe it continues to go higher, you can bet that it goes higher. If you believe it goes lower, you can bet that it will go lower and you will get paid. This trade, we are big bulls. It's our biggest bull position that we have owned in calendar 2024. It was the buy when we put the buy on VSAT. It's the number one bull in the NASDAQ composite. Traders, it's my job to find the home run. It's your job to join the free trial. It's your job to make money off of me. It's your job to better your life from me right here today on VSAT with the call options and buying pullbacks when the market does sell off and this pulls back. It's going to be our first buy.